My name is Kimberly Reed, and I come to you today with our daily home Bible readings for Thursday, March the 12th, 2026. Our subject is restored faith, coming from Psalms 85, 4 through 13. And here in this text, the question is asked, will thou revive us again, Lord, that thy people may rejoice in thee? Here it is, a prayer of revival and restoration. The people here are pleading to God to turn his anger away from them and show his steadfast love. What I want you to remember is, when you feel emotionally drained or discouraged or feeling like you're far from God, remember this, that God has brought you out before. Can you remember when he protected you? He forgave you, provided for you, or he brought you out of something that you thought would just break you. Remember, God promises peace. His voice leads us toward peace, not panic. God brings beauty, healing, and balance back into our lives. He talks about mercy and truth meeting together, righteousness and peace kiss each other. Here in this text, in your personal walk with Christ, remember, God can bring balance where things feel broken. He can bring stability back in your life. God, when he restores you, everything around you starts to flourish. He can restore balance, healing, joy, and fruitfulness back into your life.